Hello and hi. In this video I will unbox and review the Skullcandy Anti Headphones. So let's start. On the design front it looks very fancy and stylish and it is very lightweight. You hardly feel it when you're wearing it. It feels non-durable, but I used it for a month and it has been abused a lot, but it stayed good as anything. The ear cups come with foam padding with fox leather that looks good and gives a very comfortable experience. That's the main reason why I bought these. They are heck of comfortable. You can listen to music for hours on end. The performance is good and also louder. The bass and treble sound are good, but the bass is average for the price point but not too strong like other headphones. But that's what makes it usable for long hours. If you are looking for some strong bass, then get some other headphones. These headphones are very clear and you'll have a good hearing experience. The price is also great. Flipkart is offering this at Rs 699. Do check it out. With that being said, see you in another video.